Hey, hi guys, this is Partiban. I'm preparing this video to share with you guys. Last night I made about $400 plus, $440, $50. Okay, the reason I did this scalping is to show you guys how this price action skill, how this knowledge, the skill helped me to forecast who's dominating the market, buyers or sellers. With this knowledge, within 20-30 minutes I made about $450, but 2,000 ringgit. That's what take a fresh graduate to earn in 30 days, and I made it in 20 minutes. I want to add value to you guys. What I'm doing is I'm going to do a basic course which I'm going to cover the MT4 mastery and two strategy of price action, a basic strategy. What is so unique about this course is you guys gonna get 10 scalping video, live video from me, and I'm gonna alert you in advance. I'll say, okay, I'm gonna make this video. You guys can participate and make money together with me. So this is the only course which I'm gonna help you to be a profitable instantly. So the course fee is about 300 ringgit, and the theory and the other part I'll be teaching half a day. I want you to benefit from this.